If you haven't exercised in years, start here, literally from the comfort of your couch. Grab yourself a pillow, put it behind your back for support, and let's work on a few exercises. We're gonna start with promoting circulation in our lower body. This is really important, especially if we've been sedentary. We're gonna get the blood flowing. So we're doing our knees, but as well as our ankles. If you haven't moved in years, those are definitely the most fragile ones. Now we're gonna wake up your calf muscles, so to speak. These muscles are often neglected, but they'll really help support your knees. Now let's strengthen those hip flexors. We like to stretch them a lot, but strengthening is really important, especially if you have back pain. Now let's go to our shoulders. A lot of us have forward shoulders. If we work at a desk or if we're on our phone constantly, moving them in a reverse pattern will definitely help. They feel good, but they also burn at the same time. Now if we lost a lot of strength and mobility, we might not be able to put our hands over our head. Practice this move, go as far as you can without pain. If you have a tight, stiff neck, simple turns like this will help. Again, follow your natural range of motion, don't force the turn. That goes for your spine too. We're just gonna gently twist and turn. Follow your limit and don't try to crack your back. This move will help open up your chest and stretch your back. It will help your posture as well. Now let's not forget your heart. Do a few minutes of jogging in place or seated jacks.